वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह। आज हम बात करेंगे शहीद बाबा दीप सिंह जी के बारे में। ये वीडियो इंग्लिश में होगा। शहीद बाबा दीप सिंह जी is one of the most honored martyr of Sikh history. His parents, Bhai Bhaktu ji and Mata Jioni ji, lived in the village of Pahuvind, Amritsar. Baba Deep Singh Ji was born on January 26, 1682, 14th Magh Sammat 1739. Since Baba Deep Singh Ji was an only child, his parents raised him with much devotion and affection. At the age of 12, Baba Deep Singh Ji went with his parents to Anandpur Sahib to meet Guru Gobind Singh Ji, the 10th Sikh Guru. They stayed at Anandpur Sahib for several days, doing seva service with the Sikh community. When his parents were ready to return to their village, Guru Gobind Singh Ji asked Baba Deep Singh Ji to stay with him. He humbly accepted Guruji's command and began serving him. While at Anandpur Sahib, Baba Deep Singh Ji learned about Sikh philosophy and Shri Guru Granth Sahib, the Sikh holy book of scripture. He learned Gurumukhi Punjabi script and several other languages. Guru Gobind Singh Ji also taught him horseback riding, hunting and arms training. At the age of 18, he received Amrit, holy water, from Guruji on Vaisakhi as a Amritdhari Sikh. Baba Deep Singh Ji took an oath to serve as God's soldier. Sikhs are to always help the weak and needy and to fight for truth and justice. Baba Deep Singh Ji soon became one of Guru Gobind Singh Ji's most beloved Sikh. Baba Deep Singh Ji stayed in Guru Gobind Singh Ji's service for about 8 years. At Guruji's request, he returned to his village to help his parents. A year after his return to Pahuvind, a Sikh messenger arrived from Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Baba Deep Singh Ji was told that Guruji had left his fort in Anandpur Sahib after fighting with the Hindus Hill Rajas for 6 months. He also learned that the Guru's 4 sons and his mother, Mata Gujri Ji, had all become separated. Upon hearing such disheartening news, Baba Deep Singh Ji immediately left Pahubind to meet Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Baba Deep Singh Ji met Guru Gobind Singh Ji again at Damdama Sahib in Talwandi. Here, he learned that 2 of the Guru's sons, Baba Ajit Singh Ji, Baba Jujhar Singh Ji, had lost their lives in the Battle of Chamkaur. Guruji also told him that his 2 younger sons, Zorawar Singh and Fateh Singh, were cruelly murdered at the city of Sirhind under the order of the Governor Wazir Khan. Baba Deep Singh Ji had been summoned to Damdama Sahib to work with Bhai Mani Singh Ji to prepare the final text of Shri Guru Granth Sahib. Guru Granth Sahib Ji recited the entire Granth Sahib to them while they wrote the text. On its completion, Baba Deep Singh Ji hand-wrote 5 more copies of the Holy Scripture. 4 copies were sent to Shri Akal Takht Sahib, Shri Takht Patna Sahib, Shri Takht Hazur Sahib and Shri Takht Anandpur Sahib. Another copy was prepared by Baba Deep Singh Ji in Arabic script and sent to the Middle East. Baba Deep Singh Ji was soon regarded as one of the most devoted Sikh of his time. While preparing copies of Sri Guru Granth Sahib, in 1906, Guru Gobind Singh Ji placed Baba Deep Singh Ji in charge at Damdama Sahib, while Bhai Mani Singh Ji was made head priest Granthi Sahib of Harmandir Sahib in Amritsar. Baba Deep Singh Ji spent many years at Damdama Sahib preaching Sikh values and teachings and doing service for the community. He was always ready to serve those in need and to fight for justice. Babaji also continued to write Gurbani, Pothis and distributed them to the Sikh community. In 1707, Baba Deep Singh Ji joined Baba Singh Bahadur to fight for the freedom of Punjab. They fought together in the battle at Sirhind, the city in which Guru Gobind Singh Ji's younger sons had been killed. Although the Muslim army outnumbered the Sikhs significantly, the Sikh army was able to easily defeat the Muslim forces. During the battle, Baba Deep Singh Ji beheaded Wazir Khan. Later, when the Sikh forces were reorganized into 12 groups, Baba Deep Singh Ji was appointed in charge of the Shahidi division as the leader of Shahidi Misl. He achieved numerous victories for the Sikhs. In 1755, Ahmad Shah Abdali, the Emperor of Afghanistan, attacked India for the fifth time after looting many Indian cities, including Delhi. He brought back with him gold, jewelry, and thousands of captured young women. When Baba Deep Singh Ji learned about this atrocity, he took a group of Sikhs and ambushed Ahmad Shah force. Baba Deep Singh Ji and his men freed much of Ahmad Shah's stolen goods and liberated the prisoners, returning them to their homes. Ahmad Shah Abdali was able to escape to Lahore. Angered by the attack from the Sikhs, he decided to destroy the Sikh community. He appointed his son Taimur Shah as the governor of Lahore and made Jahan Khan his general. In order to destroy the sources of the Sikhs' spiritual strength, he ordered Jahan Khan to destroy Sri Harmandir Sahib. Following orders in 1757, Jahan Khan proceeded to Amritsar with heavy artillery. Many Sikhs died trying to defend Sri Harmandir Sahib, but unfortunately, the Gurdwara and its surrounding buildings were demolished and the Sarovar was filled with dirt and debris. Sri Harmandir Sahib was then closed to all Sikhs. At this time, Baba Deep Singh Ji was at Damdama Sahib. When he learned about this disturbing news, he immediately declared his intention of expelling the Afghans and rebuilding the Gurdwara. He took a vow not to come back alive without fulfilling this mission. Baba Deep Singh Ji did ardas while promising to get to Sri Harmandir Sahib. Sar jaave ta jaave, mera Sikhi Siddiq na jaave. If my head is severed, let it be, but don't sever my Sikh way of life. Although Baba Deep Singh Ji was 75 years old, he still had the strength of a young warrior. He gathered a large group of Sikhs and advanced towards Sri Harmandir Sahib. By the time they reached the village of Taran, about 10 miles from Amritsar, their numbers had risen to about 5,000. At this time, Babaji drew a line on the ground with his khanda and asked only those who were willing to fight and die to cross the line. All of the Sikhs there crossed the line eagerly. Baba Deep Singh Ji then recited the Shabd जो तो प्रेम खेलन का चाओ सरधर तली गली मेरी आओ. Those who wish to play the game of love, follow Sikhism, come to me with your head in your palm. इत मार्ग पैर धरीजय सर दीजय कान ना कीजय. If you wish your feet to travel this path, don't delay in accepting to give your head. When news of Baba Deep Singh Ji's intention reached Jahan Khan, he immediately mobilized an army of 20,000 men and proceeded towards Taran. Baba Deep Singh Ji army intercepted Jahan Khan's force near the village of Goharwal, about 5 miles from Amritsar. At this point, there was a clash between both sides. Baba Deep Singh Ji fought with his 18 Ser Khanda, weighing about 32 lbs, 14.515 kilograms. Each Sikh fought with such great valor and courage that the enemy was almost defeated. During the midst of battle, a large army of reinforcement arrived for Jahan Khan's men, turning the odds against the Sikhs. Yet the Sikh with Baba Deep Singh Ji as their head continued fighting and advancing towards Amritsar. During the clash, one of the Mughal commander, Jamal Khan, attacked Baba Deep Singh Ji. As they fought, both men swung their weapons with great force, leaving both of their heads separated from their bodies. After seeing this scene, a young Sikh warrior called out of Babaji, reminding him of his vow to reach Sri Harmandir Sahib. Upon hearing this, Baba Deep Singh Ji immediately stood up, holding his head on his left palm while holding his khanda upright in his right hand. He then continued fighting and moving towards Sri Harmandir Sahib. Upon seeing the sight of Baba Deep Singh Ji, most of the men in the Mughal army fled away in terror. Baba Deep Singh Ji was able to continue fighting and reached Sri Harmandir Sahib. He bobbed his head at the Parikrama rectangular walkway of Sri Harmandir Sahib and lay there as a martyr. Baba Deep Singh Ji's Shahidi incited the Sikhs to continue to fight against Mughal operations for many years. Even today, his life serves as an example for all Sikhs on how to live and die with dignity. ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ.